Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class, Excel 4.2, what sums completed? 5, 6 sums completed. Now write down problem number 7. Write down problem number 7. There is a diagram for problem number 7 also. What is problem number 7? Read problem number 7. In the given figure, PQ is a straight line. So PQ is visible to you in the diagram. PQ is a straight line in the given diagram. In the given figure, PQ is a straight line. OR is a ray. OR is a ray. It is perpendicular to the line PQ and QS. OS, it is not QS. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. So OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Then prove that angle ROS equal half angle QOS minus angle POS. So see the problem. See the diagram once. What is there in the diagram? Number 1, PQ is a straight line. Number 2, O is a point. O is a point. Number 3, OR is a ray. OR is a ray. It makes an angle 90 degrees with PQ. Number 4, OS is a ray. So, two straight lines are there. One straight line is there. Two rays are there. And totally 5 points are there in the diagram. Then, there is L shape. What is the meaning of L shape? Their angle is 90 degrees. Then what to prove? Angle ROS. Where is angle ROS? This is angle ROS, middle angle. Angle ROS, middle, equal to half angle QOS. Where is angle QOS? QOS, it is obtuse angle. Minus angle POS, it is acute angle. So, what to prove? Angle ROS, it is acute angle. Half angle QOS, it is obtuse angle more than 90. Minus angle POS, it is acute angle. Okay na? So write what is given first. Solution. What is given? PQ is a straight line. PQ is a straight line. Right? The information given. PQ is a straight line. First point. Number 2. OR comma OS are two rays. OR comma OS are two rays. OR comma OS are two rays. Next, OR is perpendicular to perpendicular means 90 degrees. OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. Then one more. What is that? OS. OS is a ray is lie between OS is lie between so where OS lies? Lying between OP and OR. OS lie between OP and OR. This is the information given. So these are the 4 points given. What we need to prove? So we have to prove that. What to prove? We have to prove that angle ROS. We have to prove that angle ROS equal to half angle QOS minus half angle POS. So that one we have to prove. That is about the problem. Then how to get the answer? How to do the problem? See the problem. See the steps. From the diagram, I told you already about linear pair. What is linear pair? Sum of the adjacent angles 180 degrees, it is known as linear pair. From the diagram, see the diagram, angle ROS, this is the angle you want. Angle ROS Where is angle ROS? This is angle ROS and it is acute angle. Angle ROS equal to angle QOS. Where is angle QOS? This total angle, big angle, obtuse angle. Angle QOS minus angle QOR. Minus angle QOR. Okay na? So, what is the step? Angle ROS. This is from the diagram. Angle ROS equal to angle QOS. This is the angle, obtuse angle. Minus angle QOR, right angle. So, from the obtuse angle, subtract right angle. What we get? Angle ROS. Next. Again, angle ROS. Again from the diagram, one more step. Angle ROS. This is right part of the diagram. Let us see left part of the diagram. Again, angle ROS equal to angle POR, angle POR minus angle POS. Okay na? So, two observations from the diagram. First one is what? Angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle QOR. What is the second one? Angle ROS equal to angle POR minus angle POS. Let us add both. This is first one. This is second one. Add both the equations. What we get? Angle ROS, angle ROS. How many times? 2 angle ROS. 2 angle ROS. See the diagram. Angle QOR how much? 90 degrees. Similarly, angle POR also 90 degrees. See the diagram. How we get 90? Angle QR 90 degrees. So, right side 90 means left side also 90. This is minus term. This is plus term. Both cancel. What we get? Here angle QOS. Here minus angle POS. First equation, angle ROS equal to angle QOS, it is obtuse angle, minus angle QOR, it is right angle, equation 1. See the second one, angle ROS equal to angle POR, it is 90 degrees, minus angle POS. This is 90 minus this is 90 plus, both the terms cancel. What is left? Angle ROS how many times? 2 times. 2 angle ROS. Here what is left? Angle QOS minus angle POS. 2 is moving from left to right. Where is 2? Left. It is moving to right. Angle ROS equal to, now 2 is moving from left to right. 2 becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 bracket angle QOS minus angle POS. 1 by 2 bracket angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is the problem. Write down the problem once. Now problem number 8. Write down problem number 8. So diagram is not given. You have to draw the diagram by reading the problem. So write the problem first. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P, capital P, a ray YQ. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Draw a figure from the given information. Then we need to find out two angles. Angle XYQ, first one. Next one, reflects angle QYP. So that is the information given. So read the problem. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. Okay na? So there is a triangle automatically and XY is produced to a point P. XY is produced. What we get? Exterior angle to a point P. Next third point. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. What is bisects? Two equal angles. Next. So So draw a figure by using the given information and find out two angles. Number one, angle XYQ. Number two, angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP. So this is the information. So draw the diagram by reading the matter. First there is a triangle. There is a triangle XYZ. All capital letters. XYZ is a triangle. Then angle at Y how much? This is 64 degrees. 64 degrees. Then XY is produced to point P. Extend XY towards down. This is point P. There is a point P. XY is produced to P. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Where is angle ZYP? This is angle ZYP. There is a ray YQ. So there is a ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. There is a ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Okay na? So this is the diagram. Okay na? So write the information first. Given XYZ, it is not given, but you think like that. XYZ is a triangle. XYZ is a triangle. Okay na? What is the first point? XYZ is a triangle. Then what is the second point? Angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. Angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. What is the third point? XY is produced. XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. Third point. What is the fourth point? YQ bisects angle ZYP. ZYP is what? ZYP is exterior angle. Okay na? Angle ZYP is exterior angle. Next, YQ. See the diagram. YQ bisects angle ZYP. YQ bisects angle ZYP. What is angle ZYP? Exterior angle. How we get exterior angle? By producing the sides of the triangle, we get exterior angle. So angle ZYP is what? Exterior angle. YQ is what? YQ is a ray. It bisects angle ZYP. What we need to find out? So we need to find out angle XYQ. So this is the information given. We need to find out angle XYQ. Question mark. Okay na? You know where is XYQ? X, Y, Q. Total angle. Some part of the angle lies inside the triangle. Some part of the angle lies outside the triangle. Okay na? Anyway, by adding both exterior angle and interior angle, we get angle XYQ. Next one is what? Second one. Reflex angle QYP. Not angle QYP. First we need to find out angle QYP. Then reflex angle QYP. Okay now, where is QYP? This is QYP. Okay now, this is the angle first we need to find out. Then how to get reflex angle? Subtract from 360. So second one, reflex angle QYP question mark. Okay now, then how to find out the angle? You see now. First one, first part of the problem. Okay now. See, YQ is what? YQ is a angular bisector. Remember, YQ is a angular bisector. YQ is what? YQ is a angular bisector. You know the properties of angular bisector. Angular bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. So these are the two angles equal. This one and this one both are equal. Angular bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. So what are the equal parts? You know, angular bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. Property, two equal parts. So angular bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. That is the property of angular bisector. Then what are the equal angles? Okay na? Let angle, first angle ZYQ, angle ZYQ equal to angle QYP. I am talking about these two angles. Okay na? These two angles. Number one, angle ZYQ. Number two, angle QYP. Let it be X. So my assumption is this is X, this is also X, small x. Two angles are equal because it is angular bisector. Then totally how many angles are there at Y? Total 3 angles. Number 1, 64. Number 2, X. Number 3, X. All 3 together protracted shape, you know. Okay na? So all 3 together 180. Y angle on a straight line is 180. Okay na? So from the diagram, so what are the angles? First angle, angle XYZ, I am talking about 64. Then plus angle ZYQ, I am talking about X, plus angle QYP, I am talking about again X, all together 180. Why it is 180? Angle on a straight line. That is the reason. So all together 180. First one 64, second one X, third one X equal to 180. Then substitute the angles. First one 64, second one X, third one X equal to 180. All together 180. Protracted shape, simple. Then 64, add them 2x equal to 180. Okay na? 2x equal to what we get? 2x equal to 64 is moving from left to right. What we get? 180 minus 64. 2x equal to 116. Subtract. X equal to 116 by 2. X equal to 116 by 2. So what we get? 58. So first angle 64, second angle X, third angle X, all together 180. Then 64, X plus X, 2x equal to 180. 64 is moving to right side, becomes minus 64. Then what we get? 2x equal to 116, X equal to 116 by 2, 58. Then so what values we get? X means implies angle ZYQ, equal to angle QYP equal to, okay na, X equal to 58 degrees. Then X value completed. So X value how much? 58. First angle what we need to find out? Angle XYQ. Angle XYQ is the combination of two angles. First angle is what? Angle XYZ. Second angle is what? Angle ZYQ. Okay na? Angle XYQ, it is the combination of two angles. Number one, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Angle XYQ equal to angle XYZ how much? 64. ZYQ how much? ZYQ how much? 58. What we get? 122. Okay na? Second one is what? Angle QYP already completed. Reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP equal to 360 minus 58. How to get reflex angle? Subtract from 360. 360 minus 58 how much? 302. Okay na? So angle ZYQ, angle QYP how much? 58. First angle, what we need to find out? Angle XYQ. It is the combination of two angles. Number one, angle XYZ plus number two, angle ZYQ. Angle XYZ how much? 64. Angle ZYQ how much? 58. Add them. What we get? 122. Second angle, reflex angle QYP. Angle QYP how much? 58. What we need to find out? Reflex angle. Subtract from 360. 360 minus 58, 302. Therefore, final angle XYQ equal to 122. Reflex angle QYP equal to 302. Okay na? So with this exercise 4.2 completed. In the next class we start exercise 4.3. Thank you students.